This is Stephen, and this question is testing your knowledge of how to take the square root of numbers, but also if you understand how imaginary numbers work. So the question asks, what is the solution set for x squared plus 49 is 0? So let's start off by trying to figure out what x might equal. So x squared plus 49 is equal to 0. You may already know the answer just by staring at it. With something plus something equals 0 means it's the opposite of each other, meaning that this should technically be negative 49. But you can figure that out for sure by subtracting 49, that's the wrong pen, subtracting 49 to both sides. So you know that x squared is equal to negative 49. And if you take the square root of both sides, you're going to get x, but now you have the square root of negative 49, which you might say, okay, I can't take the square root of a negative number, which is true. But you can still figure out the possibilities of what makes negative 49 in this case. So you can break this down to the square root of negative 1 times the square root of 49. So you do know the square root of 49 is 7. So you're saying that x is equal to 7 times the square root of negative 1. This is where this question is seeing if you understand imaginary numbers or not. The square root of negative 1 is often written as an italicized I, which is the case for answer choice B and D. Now, since A and C don't have an I in there, those are not our answer choices. So we're looking at B versus D. But remember, whenever you take the square root of a number, it could be positive 7 or negative 7, because negative 7 times negative 7 is equal to 49. So because of that, B works, but it's not enough. It's not our complete answer. So only answer choice D is plus or minus 7 times the square root of negative 1, otherwise represented as I.